You know, as a carpenter, I know all too well that getting the smallest detail wrong on a project can cost a lot of time and money or just set the job back. And knowing this has told me or sold me on the idea of making pre-construction mock-ups for the client. In the building industry, if you asked me to build a bookcase and, oh yeah, make it look nice, what exactly does that mean? You'd be a fool to take on a project like that without even at least an elevation drawing approved by the client. So a mock-up is a full-size scale, typically, usually made with the same size materials, exact dimensions, things like that, that you will propose on your project. It allows all parties involved to have a full-size, three-dimensional model to view quality, design, and aesthetics. Mock-ups address the idea captured in the popular engineering one-liner. You can fix it now on the drafting table or erase it later with a sledgehammer on the construction site. So here's the deal. Mock-ups do a couple of things. They're low cost. To make and alter, they give us a visual 3D model for the client to envision quality, functionality, as well as aesthetics, and they incite feedback. Testing out solutions and designs early on, guys, is going to save you time and wasted effort. I promise you that. It's going to ensure accuracy and reduce callbacks. I hope you guys have a great week. We'll see you next time.